Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to unblock your Uber driver account in 2025. Now, before unblocking your account, you will need to find out why it was blocked. Some common reasons include violation of Uber's policies, for example bad ratings, complaints or unsafe driving. Others include document issues. So an expired license, insurance or missing verification could lead to document issues. Make sure that your documents are updated. Now another reason could be unusual activity. So you could be suspected for fraud or account security issues. Check your email for a message from Uber explaining the reason. Now, section 2 is contact Uber support. So simply open the Uber driver application, click on the help icon and tap accounts and app issues. Select I can't log in or my account is blocked and follow the instructions and submit any required documents. Also, if you don't get a response, try contacting Uber through their website at help.uber.com. Now, you can visit an Uber Greenlight hub if necessary. So if your account is still blocked, you can visit the Uber Greenlight hub for your city. Bring your driver's license, your vehicle's registration and insurance, and any emails or messages from Uber about the block. An in-person visit often speeds up the process. Now, you can prevent future blocks by maintaining high rating. So be polite and provide great service. You can do it by keeping documents updated, so renew your license and insurance before expiration and avoiding suspicious activity. So use your own phone and vehicle for Uber rides. And that's it. That's how you unblock your Uber driver account. If this guide helped, like and subscribe for more Uber driver tips. See you in the next one.